Well, as you would have seen last week, I put a gold stripe on my car, and I've ummed and ahed about it for a while, and I'm going to change it. So in this video, which will be a silent movie, maybe some music, I'm just going to do something to make it 100 times better. There we go. Well, in my opinion, it looks better. I mean, before it was like a really heavy gold stripe, and I thought it would work with the wing mirror ones, but I think it was a little bit too much, so I've removed the centre part, as you can see. I did it in my Photoshop software inside, and I thought that looks a lot better. So all I need now is some blue jeans, red shirt, cowboy hat, some Jerry Reed. Yeah, most of you are probably too young to work on about, but yeah, very brief video, but I just thought it looked a lot better, a lot more of a pinstripey type thing. Don't know. Anyway, leave your opinions down below. If you don't like it, let me know. I may do some more little gold lines, maybe like around the arches, and then get some JPS stickers or something, who knows. Anyway, thanks for watching this really brief video, and as I say, the next one I'm going to be doing some interior spray work, but not what you think, not on any of the panels.